Hey, everybody! Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete reposts in the TikTok app very easily. Subscribe to our channel. Also, do not forget to put likes. Be sure to write comments after watching the video. And let us get started with you. So, if we open up the TikTok app, we can repost any video to our page. How can we do that? Well, you have to click on the button at the bottom where the arrow is. And here you will see the word repost. You can click on it. And now this video in your profile will be in the repost section. But how do you delete a reposted video? If it's a video that you just watched, then you click also on this arrow. And then you click just delete repost. And that video will automatically be removed from your repost folder. But what if it's a video that you watched some time ago and you want to delete it? Then after you go to your page, you go to the repost section and you see there's a video that you added. And in order to delete it, you also click on the delete repost arrow. And that will delete the video. So that's the way pause. You can delete reposts on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel. Write your comments, make sure to put your likes, and until new meetings, friends.